Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to download Binance for PC. Now let us begin. Well, as you can see, I have already logged into Binance Web. In case you have not, do it right now. It is quite easy. Now let us simply look at how to download Binance for PC. On the right section of the screen, at the top, if you simply scroll to the right, you can see a button like this, and from here you will be provided a QR code. Do note from here you can only download for iOS and Android, but right now we want to download it for Windows, so I'm gonna click on more download options right here. Once you do, you will be redirected to this page, and guys, that is it. Currently you will be in the app download section. From here, let's simply shift right over to desktop, and guys, that is it. You can download Binance for Windows, Mac OS, or simply Linux. That is it. Select your operating system and simply click on it. And guys, as you can see, the application is being downloaded. That is it guys. Once the application has finished downloading, simply install it, and hence you will have Binance application on your desktop. That is it guys, that's the gist of it. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.